Right. So exactly a year ago, well, not exactly, but near enough a year ago, it was the 9th of October last year, I made the decision to remove all of my content from YouTube. I think you guys remember it. I literally deleted every single Firestick video. The videos I spent 10 years making, a big proportion of my life trying to build this YouTube channel up, and I put a lot of blood, sweat and bloody tears into this channel. I nearly lost it multiple times, and it gets to a point where things get too much, and there was changes in my life at the time which prevented me from releasing content. This is Luigi. That's one of our dogs. But yeah, there was changes in my life that prevented me from releasing content. And with everything that was going on, at the time I was doing a lot of work on TikTok. I've got 3 accounts on TikTok. I've got my main LeeTV TikTok, which is built for DJing, and that's what I do regular live streams on. I've got another channel, LeeTV Streaming, which is all about the Amazon Firestick stuff and streaming related content, and now also TikTok shop reviews. And I'm also part of Core Connection, which is a UK hardcore brand which has taken off, and we're getting bookings left, right and centre. So the DJ side, over the last 12 months, I've been putting so much time and effort into, and it's finally paying off. We've got massive events lined up for next year. We've been booked for big festivals with a massive crowd as well. So I'm absolutely buzzing. So much has gone on in the last 12 months. Except for this channel. This channel, essentially, is dead. Well, it was dead. I am reviving it, and this video is to give you guys a bit of an update. So I am reviving this channel. I'm starting again. I'm wiping the slate clean, and I'm doing it properly this time. So you guys know what I was like in the past. My content was so sporadic. I'd like release the video as and when I recorded it. There was no structure to the days or the times of when I was releasing my content, and it was a bit everywhere. And I dabbled for a little bit in some DJ stuff because I thought, if I'm going to be doing DJing full time, and I'm a TikTok Live DJ, and I also own the TikTok Live agency now, we've got over 100 DJs in my network, it just made sense to go down that route. But recently, as I've been posting content on my streaming TikTok channel, and I bought the 4K Select, it kind of reignited a bit of an old flame, and it made me reflect on the channel. This was my core. This was where LeeTV come from. This very YouTube channel pushing Amazon Firestick content. That's what LeeTV is all about. Although now if you search LeeTV on Google or you look on TikTok, you'll see my tracks everywhere. I've released tracks, I've got UK hardcore tracks, I've got trance tracks. They're everywhere, and it's all about DJing. But the core of LeeTV is all about the streaming, and a lot of people do follow me on TikTok from YouTube. And that got me in a bit of a predicament where I had the sense of guilt, sorrow, and neglect on this channel, and I want to reignite that flame. So I am coming back to YouTube. I will be pushing streaming and tech related content. It could be tech reviews, it could be streaming. Predominantly it's going to be around streaming, but I do also want to dabble in some tech stuff because I did that anyway, and I've got so many products here that I get sent from TikTok. I've got projectors, I've got all sorts. So it would make sense for me to do this on YouTube, but it means I have to start again. So all the content from the past is gone. I'm starting a new slate on this channel. I've recently rechanged all of the thumbnails, the titles and descriptions on my recent videos, and I'm now going to be pushing a lot more short and a lot more long form content here on this channel, and I'm going to be sticking to set days and times. So we're going to do Wednesday at 8 p.m. and we're going to do Sunday probably about 4 p.m, something like that. And then anything that pops up in the meantime, any breaking news or anything that's worth reporting on or doing a video on, I'll do that as and when in between that schedule. But I'm going to stick to this schedule. I'm going to get structured on this channel, and I'm going to be pushing a lot more content on this channel. I want to come back. But because LeeTV is now associated with DJing and music, I've been thinking, is it worth changing the channel name to not LeeTV, to having streaming and tech or something along that lines, you know what I mean? But I think the name LeeTV is something quite a lot of people are used to, and for anyone that's across all my socials, it will probably make sense to keep it as LeeTV, or maybe even change it to LeeTV Tech, maybe. I don't know. I am opening that up for you guys to let me know in the comment section. But yeah, the last few years have been crazy. So much has changed, and I want to get back to my roots. I want to get back to my core, and YouTube is my core. And I do miss it. I do miss long form content. I enjoy making short form content. It's so much easier, don't get me wrong. And the exposure is a lot bigger on other platforms. But I think I've not had the exposure because I've been lazy with this channel. I've got a play button. I've got over 100,000 subscribers. That is insane. That is something that so many creators would dream of. And I've not done anything with it. Why? So yes, this is just a bit of an update video. You would have seen I've already published some videos recently, especially about the 4K Select. I did buy it to get me back into the content. I've already got 2 videos uploaded and ready to schedule release. So I am now going to spend the next couple of weeks pumping content on this channel, and I am quite excited for it. So for all of you guys that have stuck by me and not gone anywhere or not unsubscribed, because I've had quite a few unsubscribe, rightfully so, I don't blame them. But for you guys that stuck with me all this time, I want to say a massive thank you and props to you. It's you guys that are making me want to do this content again. That fire is relit, and I am coming back with no bullshit, straight up, saying it as it is. Yeah, let's see what's going to come. Anyway, stay tuned for the videos. Like I said, they're going to be every Wednesday and Sunday. Get some structure, and then you guys know when the content's coming as well. So I'm buzzing for this, and I'm looking forward to it. And if you do want to jump over to my music TikTok, it's LeeTV TikTok. I do regular, pretty much daily live streams on the decks, doing trance and UK hardcore. And I've got some big events coming up, so you get to see all that stuff that's going on. Or if you just want the streaming stuff, it's LeeTV streaming. It's completely up to you. The LeeTV TikTok's a bit of an open door into the real me and what's going on in my life, you know what I mean? Like this morning, AI did me dirty. I was trying to get a thumbnail sorted and it told me I need to lose weight. I'm fucking fuming. Anyway, all that's on there. I'm super buzzing for this. And again, for you guys, thank you and big love to you guys. I'll see you in the next one.